In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a YouTube video into a Microsoft Word document on both Windows and Mac. This is a great way to enhance your Word documents by embedding interactive content directly into the text. Not only does this add a dynamic element, but it also helps convey your message more effectively, especially if you're using Word documents for presentations, reports, or educational materials. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the YouTube video that you wish to embed. Once you've found the video, go ahead and copy its URL from the address bar at the top of your browser window. This URL is essential because it serves as the link between YouTube and your Word document. Now, switch over to your Word document and decide exactly where you'd like the video to appear. Position your cursor in the document at your chosen spot. This step is crucial because it dictates where the video will be inserted, whether it's in a specific section of your text or a blank area for emphasis. With your cursor in place, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Insert. This will reveal a range of options designed to help you add different elements to your document. From these options, select Online Video. This feature is specifically designed for inserting videos from the web. A dialog box will then appear on your screen. In this box, you're going to paste the YouTube URL that you copied earlier. If, for any reason, an embed code is required instead, you can paste that here as well. Once you've entered the URL or embed code, click the Insert button. This action embeds the video into your document in the location you previously selected. After the video appears in your document, you might want to adjust it. You have the flexibility to resize the video object to better fit your layout or move it around to ensure it aligns with other content on the page. This customization allows you to maintain the overall design and readability of your document. Remember to save your document after inserting and adjusting the video to avoid losing any changes. This simple process can greatly enhance the interactivity and value of your Word documents, whether you're using them for work, school, or personal projects. And there you have it. With these steps, you can seamlessly insert YouTube videos into your Word documents, creating a richer and more engaging experience for anyone who views your work. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Word and other software effectively.